Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I will show you FiiO DM15 R2R honest review. So the FiiO DM15 R2R is basically a modern upgraded Discman for people who miss CDs but still want a setup that feels properly hi-fi in uh, right now or in the modern age. It plays regular CDs and CDRs, but it's not just a spinner. You can also use it as a USB DAC, so a laptop or PC can play through it like a serious audio source, and it can transmit Bluetooth to wireless headphones or speakers and do everything. Angle is a big reason it's getting attention because it's trying to be a portable CD player and a little audio hub at the same time. Now, the big selling point here is that R2R DAC inside. Now, FiiO is leaning hard into the idea that it sounds more analogish and musical than the usual chip DAC vibe, and they even describe it as a self-developed, fully differential R2R design. Now, specs-wise, though, it's also not shy about power. Balance output is a big deal here, and some listings highlights like up to like 1,150 megawatt and from the 4.4 millimeter output, and which is honestly pretty wild for a portable CD player. Battery life is usually listed around like 7 hours for a 4700 mAh battery, and it supports fast charging. Now, size and weight is the heads up part. It's more like a bag portable than a pocket portable, and roughly around like 144 by 137 by 25.5 millimeter, and about like 471 grams. Now, for the honest part here, what are people actually saying about it? Now, well, the thing with this one, the biggest repeating topic on Reddit is the gapless playback. Now, some posts say their disc play gapless and they love it. Other threads, including the comments from a FiiO rep here, says like the D15 behaves like a DM13 seamless for standard CDs, but not for enhanced CDs. And a couple people still described it as inconsistent, where the same track transition might gap sometimes and not other times. Now, if the library is full of live albums, DJ mixes, or concept records where transitions matter, now that's one thing that keeps popping up as something that you may want to keep note here. Now you might be wondering, is it actually worth it? Well, if the goal is a CD's RBAC plus a nice DAC or amp you can use with other gear, well, it's pretty easy to see that appeal here, especially since pricing being talked about is around like $249, and the feature list is generally stacked for that money. But if perfect gapless playback is non-negotiable for you, that's the one area where online chatter says to be cautious. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.